Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you took the time to stop in on my video. Be sure to hit that subscription and the notification bell right to follow, because you know it doesn't cost you anything. So in this video, I am going to show you guys, beginners mostly, because I'm a beginner when it comes to eye makeup, and if you're reading the title, you obviously are too, and you're like, I want to get a good look and I want to do it something simple and easy and look good at the end of it all. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so as you can see, I already gone in and did one eye. So now I'm just going to go in and show you how I achieve this and do the second eye. So for this, I am using the Take Me to Brazil palette. The first shade that I'm going to be using, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade and just, oh, this side. To do that all over my eye until I get the color payout that I want.
Based on this double XL, right now in an XL, taking in the smoke from this L word. And watch the world spin, yeah. And watch the world spin, yeah. I lay back, watch the world spin.
And for my eyes, I went in with, so I'm trying a new technique that I've seen like a bunch of people on YouTube do, and I did my primer, and then I have concealer, because I already have this concealer, the ColourPop, and it's a lot lighter than most of my concealers. I use that on my lid, and that's how I was able to get the great color payout, because usually when I put yellows on my skin, they're just not going. And this new mirror I got is really everything. Like, that's really what's helping me be able to see and do like all this goodness. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with this red color here. Not that, nope. Here. Go in with this red color. And I'm using this crown brush that I knew I was gonna love. I got this from my FabFit box, and it just says crown. It doesn't, it's from their, it's like a collection. I didn't see this brush sold separately, so yeah. And I'm not tapping this off, because I do want this to be really, really vibrant. We're just taking this red and we're coating it. So like right now it looks really orange, but we're gonna keep building it up until we get that red color payout that we're looking for. For you guys on the camera it looks red, but here for me it looks like really orange. At least like when I'm looking on my computer, because that's what I use as my monitor. Okay, so after I get that, oh, I hit my eye a little too hard and looked in the light, so now I can't see. So after I get the red put on, I went in with Juvia's Place palette. And this is the Masquerade palette. And I was dabbing between these two colors here, this one and this one. So I start off with the brown color. So then I go into this corner here, right into this corner, and just sweep that, not all over, just in that crease area. And I switch back and forth between that and then the red, just to blend it out. And go back into that crease area. Switching back and forth between these two brushes just to get that brown working in there. Once I got it where I want it to be, then I'm gonna go back to my ColourPop concealer, and for this I just put it on the back of my hand. I use this flat brush here, this dome-shaped flat brush, and I just carved out the area in which I would like for this to go. So I'm gonna spray the brush. And this is the BH Cosmetics V18 brush, and I just go back. I go into that original yellow that I used on my face, on my eyes in the beginning, and I'm just trying to pack it on here. Going into that and packing on that yellow. Actually saw this look on Instagram, and this is me trying it out. I didn't do like a test for, well actually I did the test on this eye, and I was like, okay, I can do this, and I turned on my camera, turned on my lights, and here we are. It's a little bit higher on the other eye, so I want to make them look as similar as possible. As possible. So I went in with this brush the first time, and I got like this orange color that I'm getting now. So then I switched brushes, and I used this Morphe, this dome shaped Morphe M408. So I just started packing this on, and then it started to pop, lock, and drop for me. Go back in after I got that yellow. I like to just put that brown in there again. Again, just to build up that intensity. Go in with this blending brush and just blend that all in. Okay guys, so that is both eyes. Now I'm just gonna go in and finish the rest of my makeup and bring you guys back for the rest of this look. Okay guys, so I am all done. Again, you know your girl is new at this, so I'm trying to like watch a million videos, and this is what I came up with, and I think by far this is the best look that I have ever done. I'm really excited about it. If you guys have not ever used or gotten this mirror here, it is the, I'm turning around so you can see, maybe see me. Look at how much it zooms in. This is what achieved this look here. This is the Simple Humans mirror. When you put your face in front of it, it lights up. Because I got all these lights, I really don't need it, and I really wasn't going for the feel of the lighting. Actually, I was really going because this mirror was really raved about. I love this mirror. I love this mirror. Like, it just, this is why this happened, and I'm so ecstatic. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It is easy. I haven't gotten to the point where eyeliner and me getting along, so I didn't do it yet. And I didn't do it for this look, but I still think it's cute, and it's a very cute date night look when you're just trying to, like, usually I just go as I am, because if I can go see God as I am, I can go see my mans as I am, right? But sometimes you want to get a little cute. And also the other reason was because I don't really know how to do eye makeup, but I think this is a really cute like date night, maybe somebody's birthday, dinner look. Put on some like jewelry and stuff like that just to dress it up more, but really super cute, and I really love this look. I hope that you guys really love this look, and if you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weight the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Everyday like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable. Not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the ritual.